Hello everyone, let's write a C program to print Fibonacci series. Okay, now we want to write a program to print this series, right? Before we write a program to print this series, let's quickly understand what this series is. This is actually series of numbers, okay? Simple numbers. Now what that series is, I'm just like explaining that. The series starts with two numbers, 0 and 1. And these two numbers, like, call it as a fixed start. Okay, now to generate the third number in the series, you will just add these two numbers, 0 plus 1. What's that? 1. Now generate the next number in the series. To generate next number, what you will do, you will add these two numbers, 1 plus 1. What is that? 2. All right, now let's carry on further. Now I want to generate the next number in the series. Now to generate the next number in the series, add the last two generated numbers, that is 1 plus 2. What is that? 3. All right, go on. Like, now let's generate the next number in the series. Just add the last two numbers. What's that? 3 plus 2. What's that? 5. Generate the next number in the series. 5 plus 3. What is that? 8. Next number, 8 plus 5. 13. Next number, 13 plus 8, 21, and so on. So this is an infinite series, right? Well, you can keep on adding 20 plus 13 and then so on and so forth, right? You can keep on adding things. Okay, now we want to write a program. Don't go in the mathematics of this, right? All the purpose of this video is to just write a C program to generate this series. Yeah, we said that this is an infinite series. So a program should end at some point, right? Otherwise the program will keep running. To ensure that program ends at some point, we will take n as input from the user. What is n? N is the length of series. So we will take this as user input. We'll ask the user how long series you want. So what is n? How long series user wants on his screen. That is n. So if user says I want a series only with n is equal to 5, so we want only 5 numbers in the series. If you want only 5 numbers in the series, then what? First number, second number, third number, fourth number, fifth number. 5 yellow boxes, isn't it? That's all. Okay, if user says, oh, I want n as 7, that means user wants 7 numbers in the series. Then what? If user wants 7 number in the series, then what will you do? First number, second number, third number, fourth number, fifth number, sixth number, seventh number. So this way you will get like 7 numbers in the series, right? You will print the series up to this much. This is n is equal to 7. Anyway, so this way we now know what we have to do. Okay, now let's write the program to print the Fibonacci series. Okay, let me like explain that program now, what that program is. So here is the program to print Fibonacci series, right? Let's understand this program line by line, right? First line, hash include stdio.h. We all know that it's the first line, standard line of a C program, right? I don't have to explain this. This is void main, and this is the open curly of void main, right? If you have any questions on these 3 lines, refer my first video of introduction to C programming, right? Okay, so we will start from this line, the yellow highlighted. What's that? Int f1, f2, f3, I equal to 1 and n. So what does that mean? So in memory, f1 is created as a variable, f2 is created as another variable, f3 is created as another variable, I is created as another variable, but there is something special about I is also initialized to value 1, and then you have n is also not initialized, right? So this line is done. Let's go to the next line. What's the next line? Next line is printf enter the length of the series. So when you say printf enter the length of the series, right? So let's enter the, so what will happen on the screen, right? On the printf means it will create on the screen. So this is our screen, right? And it will print the message, enter the length of series. That message is printed on the screen. So this line is also done, this line is done. Now look at the next line. What is the next line? Scanf percentage %d and n. So because scanf percentage %d and n, cursor will wait here till the time you don't input what? Till the time you don't input the value of n, the cursor is going to wait. Let's enter the value of n as what? 5. When you enter the value of n as 5, what will happen? This 5 is going to what? This 5 is going to go in memory in place of n. So at this point in time, value of n is what? 5. Okay, so far so good. Let's go ahead. Next line. What is the next line? f1 is equal to 0. f1 is equal to 0 is very simple. When f1 is equal to 0, what will happen? f1's value in memory will be 0, right? Next line. f2 is equal to 1. f2 equal to 1, very simple. f2's value in memory will be what? 1. So what we have covered so far is we have covered this part of the program, right? We have covered this part of the program. f1 is equal to 0, f2 is equal to 1, right? Let's go to the next line. What is the next line? Printf percentage %d. Yeah, read it carefully. Percentage %d space percentage %d f1 and f2. So what are we doing? We are just trying to what? Print f1 and f2, right? We are just trying to print f1 and f2. So what is the value of f1? What is the value of f1? 0. Look at that, right? f1 is 0. So it will print 0 on the screen, then a space it will print, and then percentage %d f2. What's the value of f2? 1. So actually if you look at if you look at this, right, you have already started printing the series, right, from here. What is the length of the series that you need? N. That's 5. So you need series of length 5. Out of that, so that's your n, right? That's a series of length 5 you need. Out of that, 2 numbers you have already printed, 0 and 1, because you know that they are fixed, right? How many more numbers you want to print? 3 more numbers you want to print. So for any n, you have already printed 2 numbers. Now how many more numbers you want to print? You just want to print remaining n minus 2 numbers. N is 5, 3 more numbers you want to print, so you want to print just remaining n minus 2, right? Okay, now we want to cover this while loop, right? So before we go to the while loop, once again let's just summarize what we have discussed so far. So far we have covered this part of the program. And what does this part say, right? Yeah, let me change the colors, right? What does this part say? This part says we have f1 is equal to 0, we have f2 is equal to 1, then we have n is equal to 5, that's our assumed user input, right? And then we have also said that we have so far printed what? 0 and 1. So these 2 numbers we have printed on the computer screen, right? Yeah, so that is this line. So this line says you have printed 0 and 1 on the computer screen. Okay, now all we need to do is understand this while loop. Okay, to understand this while loop, I will tell you a very simple trick. Okay, all you have to do is create a table, right? I'll show you what. So create a table like this, and I'll tell you what columns this table should have. Okay, the first column that this table should have is the left hand side of the condition. What's the left hand side of condition? I. Okay, the second column that this table should have is the right hand side of condition. What's the right hand side of condition? N minus 2. Okay, then the third column this table should have is all the variables that appear to the left hand side of assignment. So which are the variables that appear to the left hand side of assignment? F3 equal to, so look at just the left hand side, this printf, ignore that. F1 to the left hand side of the assignment, that's equal to operator, and F2, right? So these are the three values that this generates, and even I, right, even I, so I plus plus is nothing but I equal to I plus 1, right? So you should have those many columns. Let's try to create those many columns, right? So first column is F3, second column is F1, that's the next statement, third column is F2, that's the next statement, and the last column is I. Yeah, you can ignore that I, right, because you already have an I here, so let me ignore that. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let me complete this table. Yeah, okay, let's start with the first value of I. What is the first value of I? Look at this, I is equal to 1, right? I is equal to 1, sorry for this. So I is 1, and yeah, this is where we go. Now check what is n minus 2. What is n minus 2? What is n? 5. What is n minus 2 then? 5 minus 2, that's 3. Okay, now check the condition. Is I less than or equal to n minus 2? Yeah, let me change colors, right? So make less than or equal, I less than or equal to n minus 2. Is 1 less than or equal to 3? Yes, condition is satisfied. 1 is less than or equal to 3, so I go inside the loop. So this is now inside the loop. Now once I go inside the loop, right, once you go inside the loop, you will do everything that the loop says. Then there is no condition. So now we have to do everything that the loop says. What is the first thing that it says? F3 equal to F1 plus F2. Okay, just look at, now only look at this statement, F3 equal to F1 plus F2. We have to understand this loop line by line. So only look at F1 plus F2. What is F1 plus F2? What is the value of F1? 0. What is the value of F2? 1. What is 0 plus 1? 1. Where will this 0 plus 1 go? In F3. So F3 now gets 0 plus 1, that's 1. This line is over. F3 equal to F1 plus F2. Okay. Next, what is the next line? Printf percentage d F3. Now I have to print. Print means what? Yeah, but note that there is a space percentage d. So space and then a percentage d. F3. What is the value of F3? 1. So you have printed 1. Yeah, you will not see this, right, because there is a space here. Okay, done. That's a comment. Ignore that. F1 equal to F2. Now let's look at this line, right? F1 equal to F2. So whatever is the value of F2, that you will put in F1. Once again I repeat, whatever is the value of F2, that you will put in F1, right? Whatever is the value of F2, that you are going to put in F1. So let's put that. F2's value is 1, you are putting that in F1. Next, F2 equal to F3. What is F2 equal to F3? Whatever is the value of F3, you are putting inside F2. What is the value of F3? This guy. This you are putting inside F2. So put that inside F2, right? What is that? 1. What is the next? I plus plus. Yeah, when you say I plus plus, right, what's going to happen? When you say I plus plus, right, I will get a new value, that is 2. Here you go. Then what is this? This is end of loop, and because this is end of loop, machine will automatically go back up. That's how loops work. You will automatically go back up, and now you will check the condition. What is the condition? I less than or equal to n minus 2. So I you have, what is n minus 2? Oh, we never changed n, so n is still 5. What is n minus 2? 3. Now check, is I less than or equal to n minus 2? Is 2 less than or equal to 3? Yes, because 2 is less than or equal to 3, you will again go inside the loop. Remember one thing, whenever you go inside the loop, you will do everything that the loop says. You don't have any option. Once you go inside, you have to do everything. Now start again. F3 equal to F1 plus F2. F3 equal to F1 plus F2. So what is F1? 1. F2 1. 1 plus 2. F1 plus F2 is equal to F3. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So F3 becomes 2. Next line, printf per space percentage d F3. So you will print space percentage d F3. So you will print 2. F1 equal to F2. What is the next line? F1 equal to F2. So F2's value will go inside F1. F2's value goes inside F1. F2 equal to F3. So F2 will get a value from F3. What is F3's value? 2. That it will get here. And then this is done. Now you have I plus plus. When you say I plus plus, what is the new value of I, right? The new value of I, right? Previous value of I was 2, new value of I is 3. And here you go. The new value of I is 3. After that, what is this, right? Curly bracket. Because of this curly bracket, right, machine will go back up. That's how loops work, right? Whenever there is an end of loop, it always goes up. Remember, always and always and always. No exception to the rule. Okay, now check again. I less than or equal to n minus 2. Oh, I is 3. What is n minus 2, right? What is n? Oh, we never changed n. So n is 5. So n minus 2, right? N minus 2 will remain as 3. Now you will check. I less than or equal to n minus 2. 3 less than or equal to 3. Yes, because 3 is less than or equal to 3, machine will go inside. When it goes inside, right, it will do everything that the loop says. Everything means everything, right? Yeah, the line has become untidy, right? I will try to make it. Yeah, so once you go inside the loop, you will do everything that the loop says, and because this is condition is satisfied, you will go inside. Now do everything. So first F3 equal to F1 plus F2. So calculate F3 as F1 plus F2. 1 plus 2, what is that? 3. Printf space F3. So space and F3. What is that? 3. Yeah, you will never see that, right? You will never see the space. So this is what you see. Okay, then what's the next? F1 equal to F2, right? F1 equal to F2. What is F1 equal to F2? F1 is going to get a new value, right? So F1 is going to get a new value, and that's from F2. So which is 2. F2 equal to F3. F2 is going to get a new value, and that is from F3. So from F3 here, F2 will get a value, so it will get 3, right? Okay, what is this? I plus plus. Previous value of I was 3, new value of I is 4. After that, what is this? End of while. Because of end of while, machine will automatically go back up, right? This is fixed, right? As I said, it will always go, and when it goes here, right, it will check the condition. I less than or equal to n minus 2. I, you already know. N minus 2. What is n? 5. N minus 2. What is n minus 2? 5 minus 2. That's 3. Now you will check. I less than or equal to n minus 2. My question is I less than or equal to n minus 2? Is 4 less than or equal to 3? No, 4 is not less than or equal to 3. So condition is false. When condition is false, machine will not go inside the loop but come out of the loop. When it comes out of the loop, it comes here and hence ends the program. Program is over, right? Look at this. It has printed Fibonacci series. And what's the length of the series? 5. So length of the series is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for any value of n, this program will work. Essentially what you are doing is you are printing the first 2 numbers here and remaining n minus 2 numbers in this loop. Okay, that's all. The program is done. Further references, please refer the book Computer Programming with C++. It's available on Amazon. It has lots of solved programs. Chapters 1 to 10 cover C programming. It has lots and lots of solve program explained very nicely, and chapter 10 onwards covers C++ programming. Again, lots and lots of solve programs. Here is the Amazon link to get the book. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.